I love rock pythons, especially of all the snakes, because they are endangered, and they take 10 years for them to take to reach sexual maturity. And in today's life, if they don't reach that age anymore, people kill them, other animals kill them, their loss of habitat is destroying them, and they are such amazing snakes. They are so powerful when they are grown up, and amazing senses. They are able to see the prey at night with heat sensors above their lip, and just amazing snakes. And they are always in the beautiful places, in the mountain ranges, wherever water is. So I also always associate them with the beautiful places because it's also so beautiful snake. And being this little snake growing up to 5 meters is amazing to see that power. So when I relocate snakes, people normally call me because I tell them up front I love snakes, and so I always go to them if I see they are in a desperate situation to being rescued, normally in places where it's really busy, if they're crossing roads or trapped in people's houses or so on. They normally will get killed, so I take them and I see if the snake is in a good condition, does it have ticks, parasites whatsoever, and I try to relocate it in a 10-kilometer radius, not to spread different types of parasites into the ecosystem. Yeah, but I always make sure that that snake is in top condition before I will release it. Whenever I release a rock python into the wild, I feel like a hero. I feel like I've contributed to nature, delivering that jewel, and to actually put them onto the ground and see them going, it just makes my heart beat really fast. And yeah, and I just wish that snake will survive for many years to come. And yeah, it's just lovely to watch them sailing into the wild, being free.